Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the 25 pack of 2-inch succulents from the company Costa Farms. This is my first attempt at purchasing plants online, so we're going to see how it goes. So this is what it's packaged like. Looks like everything is wrapped really good. Looks like they've got like a saran wrap around it. There's some mud in the box, or dirt I should say. It's kind of to be expected. Thank you card, some information about growing succulents and growing tips, and other cards in here. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. There's one plant that is out of its pot. Here's a plant that's out of the pot. Here's the pot it goes in. It almost looks like they just kind of threw some plants in here versus giving you actually rooted plants. Here's another one. This one looks okay. There's no soil in this one. Basically the pot's maybe half full of soil. This one's the same way. Again, kind of just looks like they threw a plant in there. Look, there's no roots at all with this plant. They just kind of sat it on there. Here's a pot. There's no plant at all in here. They basically just dropped some cuttings in there. This plant seems to be okay. Again, look at this. There's no roots on any of these. Wow, what a disappointment. The reviews were actually pretty good, but here's another one. This one's okay, I guess. We're going to go through each and every one of these and take a look at them. This one seems okay. This one seems to be okay. This one seems to be all right. This one is covered in dirt, but it seems this one actually looks to me almost like it's barely alive, but maybe that's just how that succulent is. This one's basically the same way. There's not a whole lot of variety in here. Here's another one that seems okay. This one seems to be all right. This is why you go to a nursery to get your plants. This one I guess seems okay. This one's basically not rooted at all. Looks like they just threw it in a pot with no soil. So that one's not in the best of shape. This one's the same way. I mean, hardly any roots at all. Not really rooted at all. I thought these would actually come in, and I thought they'd be kind of root bound in these little 2-inch pots. That's not the case with any of these. Here's another one. Hardly any roots on it at all. This one's not too bad. This one seems okay. From the weight of it, feels like it's at least got soil. Yeah, see, this one's okay. I kind of expected all of them to be like that. So far out of all of these, this is about the only one that's in pretty decent shape. Here's another one, this plant. Yeah, it's okay. What a total mess. This one, there's nothing at all. Basically, this little stem that they threw in to make you think you got a plant. Here's two of them that are not in any pots at all. This one has no roots. This one has a little bit of roots. I'm assuming this one was supposed to be in this pot. Now, some of you succulent people out there might be saying, oh, this is no big deal, they'll be fine. I just expected the quality to be better in this. This one's the same way. It's not rooted at all. Looks like they just kind of threw it in some soil and said, okay, ship it on its way. And then last but not least, we've got this one. And this one's actually a little bit better than the other ones. A random one that was thrown in there. So if nothing else, I hope it gave you something to think about. Maybe you think that quality was pretty good. I wasn't too impressed with it, but that's what the 25 pack of succulents from Costa Farms on Amazon looks like. I hope the video helps.